Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and today I'm doing an unboxing. I'll actually be doing a few of these because I picked up these Hero Arts card kits, but these are the ones that are exclusive to Joann's, which I didn't know until I was just kind of browsing their website and stumbled upon them. So they're sold at a pretty good price point, around $30. It does seem to kind of vary in terms of the value of the kit, and I think this month's kit is actually costs a little bit more, I believe. I think it's $33. So I don't know if overall they're going to be increased in price or if it's just that one box, but this unboxing is for the March 2022 box, and it's great. So you get quite a lot in here, and I've seen these aren't exclusive items to the kit, so it does seem like it's if you were interested in the stamp set or the die set or the anything in particular, you can get it separately. So that's nice. But of course, getting it as a full bundle, you have a bit of a discount here. And so the little poster card that it comes with just gives you some inspiration, the list of the contents of what's in the kit, and looks like even a step-by-step maybe tutorial or just some hints and tips on other cards that you can create. So in this kit, let's see what all we have. We've got the okay, so you have a 4x6 Be the Queen stamp set, and then the coordinating frame cuts that go with it. So that's really awesome, and that's a really nice size stamp set as well. So you have, and it does look like, yeah, you have 4 little bees, which are really cute. They're kind of in different, at different angles, and that one looks like he's standing, so kind of cute. And then you've got the queen bee, and then you do have the dies to cut all of those out. There's a couple of flowers, which you have dies for as well, and then some really fun sentiments that are kind of punny. So that's really cute. Then we have a, now these I don't have any of these from Hero Arts, so this is one of the things that I was super excited to see. So this is a nice rubber background stamp, and this is kind of cute. So, oh, this is really cute. So it's a hexagon, sort of a honeycomb, but it's very abstract, as you can see. But look, there's little hearts interspersed in there as well. So I think that's kind of cute. It's really nice. So we have that. Then we also have an ink cube here. So this is it looks like a pigment ink in onyx. I don't think I have any Hero Hues pigment inks, so this will be interesting to try out. I'll be interested to compare this to my VersaFine Onyx Black, which is also a pigment ink. Then we have some gold embossing powder. So that's a nice generous pot. I don't know, I've never tried Hero Arts embossing powder, so I don't know if this is a full, I would think this is a full size sort of little jar, but there's no packaging label, so I don't know if this is sample or if this is full size. Then we have some pearls in 2 different sizes. It's really nice. We've got, this will be kind of cool to use. So this is liquid watercolor. It's pigment based, and it's in the color Dandelion, which is perfect for the bee theme. We also have some twine, black and white twine. It says there's 2 yards of that, which I really like. I like that it's not a big spool, because I feel like this is going to be very usable, and then I can you know, kind of use it all up and not have it continue to pile up in my craft room. Then what else? So we have 3 sheets of, so these are half sheets. They are 5.5 by 8.5. And I hope this is in the order that it's listed. So I'm guessing this is going to be the canary. This is nice. This is pretty thick. I mean, I would gauge this at maybe 100 pound, possibly more. This is nice stuff. This could be card base kind of thickness. This is mustard. 3 half sheets of mustard. Then, ooh, this is pretty. 3 half sheets of paradise. And 3 half sheets of pitch black. It's a really nice black. And this is another, this actually gives you all the step-by-step instructions too. It looks like create this exact card. So it has all the instructions there, some tips, crafting time. So that's really cool. It's kind of nice. I'm new to these kits, so I'm really excited to craft with it. And when I do, I will be sure to link to that video at the end of this one. Thanks so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.